Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get up to 90% off Temu coupon codes quickly and easily for your shopping. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. In order to get Temu coupon codes for your shopping, first of all you will need to head over towards your preferred browser, whether Chrome, Safari or whatever you would like to use. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you are on the home page of the browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your device. Go ahead and type for Temu coupon codes and search for it. Okay? Once you click on the search button or enter button, with that you will find links of different websites. You can see here is the links of different websites. You can head over towards any one of these and from there you can find Temu coupon codes and from there you can save on your shopping. But among these websites, this one, the Coupon Flow website, is the iconic website where you will find incredible deals and offers which you are not going to find anywhere else. This Coupon Flow website is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, vast selection of retailers and regularly updated offers. So go ahead and click on this link and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for Temu. Here you can see the tons of offers including discounts on specific orders like 30% off, 90% off, 70% off, 30% off and so on. You can grab any one of these offers and for that what you will need to do is you will need to just simply tap on the offer which you like the most, and with that you can see the details of that offer along with the code. Let us click on this offer that is 90% off. Afterwards, you will be led into the detail page of that offer. Here you will find a code for that offer. You will need to copy the code, but before that, make sure that the code is not expired. And if the code is not expired, you can click on this copy option and with that code will be copied. Once the code is copied, now you will need to click on this redeem option which is just below the code, and with that you will be led into the official website of Temu. You can see now I am on the official website of Temu. And here first of all you will need to log in into your Temu account, and if you don't have Temu account then first you will need to create your Temu account, and after that you will need to log in into your Temu account. And in order to log in or create a Temu account, you will need to tap on this U icon which is showing here, and after that you will need to tap on this sign in or register option, and further you will need to follow the on-screen prompts, and after that you can log in into your Temu account. Once you are logged in into your Temu account, now you can do your shopping as normally as you would. Finally, when you move to the checkout page, there at the checkout page you will see a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and apply that. With that, you will get discount applied to your total. In this way, you can save significant amount of money by doing shopping on Temu through using Temu coupon codes. Now guys, let's head back to the Coupon Flow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers which are available here. You can grab any one of these offers, but make sure that the code for that offer is not expired. If the code is not expired, then you are going to get discount on that, but if that is expired, then you are not going to get any discounts. Okay? Now let's head back to the home page of our browser. And here beside this Coupon Flow website, there is also another genuine website called Groupon. You can see here is that. You can also visit this website, and from there also you can find amazing Temu coupon codes and you will save great amount of money through doing shopping by using Groupon website as well as. So guys, that's all about on how to get up to 90% Temu coupon codes for your shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.